Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Marshall app. First, ensure your Marshall device is powered on and in pairing mode. Then, open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to connect. You'll see your device listed on the home screen, ready for customization. It's a straightforward process designed to get you enjoying your music quickly and easily. Let's dive into the features. Once connected, the app allows you to fine-tune your sound. Navigate to the equalizer section to adjust bass, treble, and mid-range frequencies. You can also select from several expertly crafted presets, like rock or pop, to instantly optimize your listening. Don't forget to save your favorite custom settings so you can switch between them effortlessly, enhancing every track. Quick recommendation: while you're enjoying your perfectly tuned audio, remember to stay hydrated. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold, whether you're at home or on the go. It's a great companion for any activity, just like your Marshall gear. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. Check the description for the Owala link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Beyond sound, the Marshall app offers powerful advanced features. Keep your device up to date by checking for and installing firmware updates right from the app, ensuring optimal performance. For a bigger soundstage, you can link compatible Marshall speakers together. Plus, personalize your setup by renaming your devices, making it simple to manage multiple products. It's all about making your experience seamless.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.